Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Muhammad Hafiz. Today I will discuss about liquidity damage. In the presentation, I will cover the following topic. Number one, liquidity damage definition. After that, I will discuss about where liquidity damages are applicable, and I will tell later the maximum limit of liquidity damage imposed on the contractor. And finally, I will show you the liquidity damage calculation. Now, what liquidity damage is? In the context of Bangladeshi procurement process, liquidity damages are sometimes known as delay damages. Liquidity damages refer to a specific type of contractual provision in which parties agree in advance to the amount of the damages that will be paid if a specified breach of contract occurs. Why are liquidity damages applicable? Most of the contracts have the provision to impose liquidity damage. Commonly, we have seen that liquidity damages impose the following contract: delay performance, breach of contract, non-complete agreement, confidential breach, contract termination, intellectual property, loan defaults, product warranties, environmental damages, employment agreement, late delivery, non-complete agreement, sales contract, software license agreement, real estate transaction, service contract, supply contract, etc. These liquidity damage imposed are applicable in this area. What is the maximum limit of liquidity damage imposed to the contractor? As per the standard tender documents of Bangladesh government, the maximum amount of liquidity damage for the undelivered goods or any part of thereof or undelivered service or works is range is between 1 to 10% of the final contract price of the whole of the good or works and related service. LD calculation. LD means the liquidity damages. We know the formula that the liquidity damages are equivalent to an amount to be determined in the accordance with the following formula. Then we know T equal to V into P into N, where T equal to total amount of liquidity damage, V equal to contract value of undelivered goods or any part of thereof, delivery after expiry of the delivery and completion schedule of extended delivery and completion schedule as applicable. P for percent rate at which the liquidity damage shall be imposed per day of delay, and N for a number of days delayed for delivery of the undelivered goods or any part thereof after expiry of the delivery and completion schedule or extended delivery and completion schedule as applicable. Now I'm showing you the real life calculation. Actually, I'm just giving an example. Suppose total contract value 10 millions, work completed at 90%, and liquidity damage imposed for every day of delay 0.05. Number of delay 10 days. Now we find out the amount of liquidity damage T. At first, we have to find out incomplete work and its contract value. We have seen that our completion task is 90%, so total work is 100%. So we can subtract from 100% to 90%. That then we can understand the incomplete work. Then we get 10%. 10% of the total contract value, we can get 1 million. So The liquidated damage is applicable for 1% of incomplete work. So if I calculate and 1% of that 1 million, we get 10,000. So now the time for a liquid damage formula we can apply on this, because we get the V value of V, P and N value, and we can put the exact value for V 10,000 into 0.05 for P and the number of days into 10. Then we can, after calculation, we get 5,000 Bangladeshi currency. So the liquid damage is 5,000 BDT for 10 days. You should always remind that if the number of delay days increase, the liquid damage must be increased. Or if the number of delay days decrease, the liquid damage must be decreased. Actually, liquid damage imposed is dependent on the contract agreement. I mean, during contract, how much liquid damage imposed for every day of delay. As per standard tender document of Bangladesh government, liquid damage is liquid damage range is about 0.05 to 0.1, and the liquid damage formula is taken from the standard tender document of the Bangladesh government. That's it, the whole calculation of the liquid damage. Thank you for everyone to watching this video.